Papapag-cute lang ko lang. Usap ka ba? Usap ka.
Okay, light pink will
33 daw eh. Dapat mag-persist siya, no? Yung pink. Hindi na dapat lang. Ito. Oo. Wait natin. Tulad ng kay ate.
Ay, nawala.
Okay, so this is the proof that George will give me free final sticks. Take on it. It's sealed, okay? We will get to the
If I
fin-
get some, yes.
We're here at Agio Theater. We're watching Florenta at Laura Ballet. Ikaw pa. Hi kayo.
Sa Agio Theater, mangyaring maglalagay sa kanyang ipagkuling pamilya sa
Hi guys. So we're going to Makati. Yes. Pwede na akong maging ambassador ng Ayala Live. Sobrang dami ng dinadala ko. Yes.
To study.
Yeah,
Sure mo
no
lang.
yuck.
Sure
No
mo
yuck
lang.
rule.
Lock in. Yes.
No yuck rule.
Tahimik dapat mamaya sa bawah.
We're here. New recruits. Finally. Nabudol. Okay, guys. We have to stop talking na. Bye.
delayed na.
Oh, medyo delay. So, di ba, it's nice here. Gets niyo why I like it here. I love it here.
Food review.
Gusto mo namang shopping. It's so green here. Oh, it's like Lasal. Habang yung oras here.
Lasal Greenbelt
Until
West.
6 lang eh. Wala bang campus yung Lasal dito sa Makati?
Meron.
Kasi magpapatransfer ka agad ako.
Ito yung pinaka-productive day ko.
Hindi ka talaga makapag-yap.
Kasi, diba? Ang nakakahiya.
Okay.
Okay.
Ang lapit.
Hindi, malayo siya.
Malayo? Hindi ko makita eh.
Parang wild.
Wait yung kamay ko naman. Oh!
No.
Magkano to? Nanakawin.
Magsalita ka, ba't ka?
Nanakawin po kita.
Shit, di ba siya ng buhay?
Diba? That's why when I was here last time, nung ako lang, tuwang-tuwa ako. Kahit ako lang mag-isa. Tapos kumakain ako dun sa single
Our intern for today.
Our manager.
So, kamusta yung first day mo?
So productive. Di ba?
Di siya nag-yap today, pero muntikan na sa GC.
Hindi ka na. Kaya,
Hi! We're now going to Greenbelt Bypass.
what's in my bag?
Yan nga eh, you're out of pocket.
Here, do you need one? I don't know. Is it like...
We have dissecting kit here. Where you're from, where you're from. Look at this, guys. He's so different. Again.
Bakit dalawa na to?
KHP.
Luwa yung acid kasi ka vinegar sauce.
Kasi most of it ang masilig!
Nakaka 65, that's already up. We have more already. I'm disappointed. Gusto ko na
Nakal na.
Ticket.
Every 2 lang, di ba?
Start ko na.
Ano? 2 lang ah. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Morning. You know guys, I thought you're riding a car.
That's why.
I didn't think
baka next year na to. Saya ito na lang.
Hi
Pati diri. Saan ako nagbalik? Guys,
Kagapon.
mas dako pa din yung mga mausoleo kaysa sa house.
True.
That. Reunion.
I'm back in her vlog, but Bacolod version.
Palat. Hindi, naka mo sa senior high vlog eh. So, pero lain. Lain ka ka, pero still. Your baby.
We got lost, guys, because of Francine. Who does it?
Bota. Hi.
Yes.
You know. New brand. You make me wanna make it hold me and explore. Napakakanta. Mark your territory. Tell me I'm the only. Naka-lip sync na. Open.